This kind of art is very addictive because every time I go for a walk, I'm kind of looking to find an interesting shape, and I'm not exactly focused on beautiful flowers, but I'm more interested to find something that intricate and have an interesting shape to it. And it becomes an obsession because every time you go and you look for something under your feet. And also what happens is, as friends find out that you're doing this, everybody wants to help. So everybody is asking me, can I bring you some leaves? Can I bring you some flowers? And so it's become like a community project in a way.
Welcome to Inna's studio. I'm Leila, and I'm delighted to introduce you to the beautiful world of Oshibana through Inna's art. Born in Kyiv, Ukraine, she finds inspiration in nature. Her art reflects the Japanese Oshibana tradition, arranging dried flowers to evoke beauty and contemplation. Using leaves, stems, and petals collected during daily walks, she creates harmonious collages that invite viewers to reconnect with nature.
Try to make a gift to my mom, and I printed it on a blanket and gave it to her. It's a very soft fabric. Photograph is done by my friend Aga, and it's amazing photography work because everybody who comes here, they think that I felted it and they want to touch it, and everybody commented how peaceful and nice and inviting this work is. So it makes me very happy. So this is a picture of my work on a blanket, and this kind of art called Oshibana art, and it came from Japan, and it's about 600 years old, and it says that it used to be part of samurai training because it required concentration, focus, and get into the inside yourself. When I go for a walk, I'm trying to collect plants and the flowers and leaves and twigs, and I also like to collect the ones that already eaten by snails because I think that nature did basically all work for me. My job is much easier, just to take something beautiful made by nature and just arrange it on a paper, which I think much easier task than to paint something. Painting, you could see this is a bark of a tree which called Australian paper tree, and this is a petal of a peony, and it seemed like these two had nothing in common, but when you look closely, you see how similar these shapes are.
Her book, Oshibana, dedicated to her mother, is a journey through lush forest scenes, close-ups of flora, and dreamlike landscapes, evoking the beauty and cycles of life. Each piece encourages us to savor life's small moments and to find joy in the world.